writing is absolutely magnificent. When he wrote, "We hold these truths to be self-evident."
And you feel the excitement of being on the cusp.
And that's the only thing people remember about the Declaration of Independence.
What's up? Happy 4th of July. I am having a barbecue. One of the reasons I love lean so much is it doesn't not just apply to work, it applies to everything. And that's how I retired, in 15 months and became a millionaire and all that stuff, because I applied it to other areas of my life while people want to complain and moan about other stuff. Here is a U-shaped cell that I made. I'm going to go ahead and turn around here so you can see. This was an L-shaped cell. Now it's a U-shaped cell. I brought the trash can right here because as I'm using it, I'm disposing of the plastic bags, which I turn and dump in here. And so right here, again, I have a meter of space, a meter of space, a meter of space, and that's on the desktop. If this were multi-level, I'd have even more space, which I kind of have down here, which is nice. This is on wheels, so I can reposition however I want to. My workstation here is I'm going to be opening this, pouring the juice in this bag to make a barbecue sauce in a bit, cutting it open, and then immediately turning around and putting it on the rack, inserting the meat probes. And so because of that, it is a lot of over-processing. Well, because of this guy on wheels here, of course, I have a knife and fork location and a paper towel location. This is a very handy setup for me. Well, these same principles can be applied at work that I'm now applying to my personal life that I enjoy. We've got our lovely meat juices, which is a little bit too much of a pot. I'm gonna get a bigger pot. I'm gonna throw that in here. We've got our meat is on the grill, finishing up, getting that nice smoky char brown. And we have all the trash lined up. It honestly took longer for me to film all of this than it did to actually complete and do it. So next thing, I got an all stainless steel pot here. I'm gonna be taking this, and that's gonna end up being the basting stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in here to start getting it up to a temperature where it will boil and render down into a nice sauce. And so that's all the fats and the juices left over from everything we've just cooking.
Bum ba da ba ba bum, bum ba da ba ba bum, bum ba da ba ba bum.